Hi everybody, welcome back to IBEX Running. I am Coach Rachel and today is our 30-second hill interval insanity. It is exactly what it says. It is 30 seconds of insanity. Every 30 seconds we're doing something different. So with that in mind, if you take a look over on this side of your screen, you miss any of the speed changes, incline changes, don't worry, they'll all be posted right here on this side of your monitor. Look over onto this side and you'll see a nice progression bar showing you where we are from start to finish during this whole entire workout. So if you guys are ready to get sweaty, it's 30 seconds of insanity, but it's only 13 minutes long. You guys got this. Find your start button. Let's get it going in 3, 2, 1. We're gonna start 2.5, 3.5. Don't get comfortable, because this today is designed to push you out of your comfort zone. 2.5, 3.5. And again, we're only here for 30 seconds. 30 seconds goes by quick. We're going right to a 4.5, 6.5. So a very fast walk, soft shuffle, or light jog. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Take it up. Let's go. Yeah. 30 seconds here. Oh, yeah. Brisk walk. You got the arms pumping, the body flowing. Taking it up again in 15 seconds. This time we go up. 5.0, 7.0. We take it into a soft jog, okay? 10 seconds. Take it into our soft jog. You're gonna give me 3 on the incline. In 3, 2, 3 on the incline. Give me 5.0, 7.0 on that speed. Good, nice and soft. So the first, we have like two portions. The first portion, we're gonna play a lot around with the incline. So make sure you keep that in mind. We're doing speed changes and incline changes. Here we go. We're gonna take it 5.0, 7.0, back down to a 1 incline. In 3, 2, 1. So we're 1 on the incline. Keep the pace the same. Okay, so I might have mistaken. You can keep the pace the same this whole time, but play around with the incline. The second half, we're doing the opposite, playing around with the speed. Good. So, we got 1 more minute, or 1 more 30 seconds. You want to take it up 0.1. Why not? 3, 2, 1. Keep it on that 1 incline. Right after this, we're going right into a 3% incline. Again, the pace can stay the same. Keep working here. 15 seconds. Whoo! Not too bad, right? 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 3 on the incline. Strong core when we go on inclines, right? We don't want to lean back. We don't want to hold on. Use that core connection to stabilize your body, to hold you tight. 20 seconds. We go right back down to that 1% incline. It's going by so fast already, right? Here we go. 10. It's gonna release. You'll have a little recovery. It'll feel like it. In 3, 2, 1. 1 on that incline. Even though we're not changing the speed, the release of the incline is gonna feel like a break. Don't get comfortable, right? It's insanity, it's crazy because we're going right back up. Woo, we're going to a 4. I got my fingers are matching my brain today. 4 on the incline, and 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, let's go. You're feeling frisky though, you can always add on 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, whatever it is on your speed. Keep going. 15 seconds, right back to that 1. 1 on that incline. Feeling great, right? Loving these workouts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the incline. 2 more in round 1. That's how fast it is. We're almost done with round 1. Going 5, right? Right when we tap the bottom, we go back up. 15 seconds, 5 on the incline. Get your mind right, get your body tight. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, woo! Pick it up. Good. I got it. Don't worry, I got it. 15 seconds. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. 10, we're going back to the 1. We got one more after this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on that incline. What I say, as soon as we touch down, we go back up. Last one in round 1. We're going to 6. Going to 6, you get a recovery. 30-second recovery, we walk it out. Only time we're walking to the very end. 15 seconds, 6 on the incline, steepest hill, but we're ready for it. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, pick it up. 30 seconds here. After that, we take it down to a walk. 3.0, 4.0, 1 on that incline. Why am I saying it so early? Because 30 seconds is fast. It goes by quick. So we're already halfway done. 15 seconds, 1 on that incline, 3 to 4 on that speed. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, let's hit it. 1 on that incline, 3 on that speed. Don't get comfortable. We're coming right out of it. Right to round 2. All right, first 30 seconds. We're gonna hit that 1 on the incline, 5.0, 7.0. It's kind of just a refresher. Kind of just brings us back to where we were. After that, we keep it at a 3. 3 on the incline, and then we start increasing our pace. Are you guys ready? Yes, I know. 3, 2, 1. 1 on that incline, 5 on that speed. 5.5 minutes to go, right? This is round 2. Now we reach our threshold, maybe. We're gonna throw that threshold away. Today, out of our comfort zone, pushing past our boundaries, finding out what our real limits are. Here we go. Hit that 3 on the incline. In 3, 2, 1, 0.1 on that speed. 5.1, 7.1. Every 30 seconds from here to the end, you add on 0.1. If you have something more to give, you give it. There's no reason to hold yourself back. You have more, give more. You are worth it. 10 seconds. How's that incline feel? Not the steepest hill. Something you can feel, but something you can hold. 3, 2, pick it up, 0.1. We're at 5.272. Starting to feel a little bit more brisk, right? Check in with your form. Check in with your body. Don't hold any tension in your chest and your shoulders. Release them. Let them drop. 15 seconds. We take it back up. Woo! 5, 3, 7, 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. There we go. We're at 5, 3, 7, 3. This is it. This is number 3. We have 11 of them. Okay. I know, 11 sounds like a lot, but it's really not when they're only 30 seconds long. So get ready. 10 seconds, then we hit 5, 4, 7, 4. You're in it to win it. Don't miss that skip. I know some of you are like, I'll get it on the next one. No, 30 seconds. 3, 2, today's the day. We give ourselves 110%. Today's the day. We start this tread, we show up, commit, 100%. Good, 15 seconds, 5, 5, 7, 5. Okay, let's go. Let's go, what are you waiting for? 5, 4, 3, 2, add 0.1. 5, 5, 7, 5. Getting faster, getting stronger. Woo! You guys know, I got a sweaty mustache. Whew. Towel that bad boy off. 10 seconds. 5, 6, 7, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. These ones are getting harder, right? We're getting faster. Tune into your mental ability. Remember, you're not gonna give up. We're going in the tough zone. But you guys, don't give up. Don't think any negative thoughts. Don't think you wanna quit. Don't think you wanna stop early. Just keep pushing forward. We're gonna take it back up. Come on, 5, 7, 7, 7. A lot of sevens. 3, 2, 1, at it. Only 30 seconds. You only have 3 more after this. Just think about that. 20 seconds. Let it go. Tension in your face, let it go. 10. 5, 8. 7, 8. In 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. On those last 3 right here. This is it. This takes us to the end. Pick it up a notch. Wake up. Here we go. 15 seconds. 5, 9. 7, 9. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Control your body. I can feel mine starting to fly away, get a little flimsy. Bring it back in, connect, control. 5, 9, 7, 9. 1 more after this. We go right into it. 6.0, 8.0. Let it go. You have something extra, you give it now. 6.0 to 8.0. You're not limited to adding 0.1. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go, team. Run it out, run it out, run it out, run it out. 20 seconds. You get to recover. Woo! You want to count down with me? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Flat road. 3.0. 4.0 on that speed. Take that incline off. Guys, woo! I like it. Short and sweaty. Not short and sweet. Nope. You taste my sweat, it's anything but sweet. That's salty right there. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.5, 3.5. Just like that. Man, so many times you doubt yourself and be like, stress yourself out before it even happens. Like, all that, I'm not getting a break, I'm not getting recovery in the moment. I don't know if I can do it. You did it, guys. Be proud of yourself. These aren't designed to keep you in your comfort zone. They're designed to push you out of it, to help you grow. Proud of you guys. Whew. It works. It doesn't have to be an hour long for it to work, you know? Sometimes you only have 15 minutes, 13 minutes. Do what you can. Take a couple good inhale, exhales. Again, bring the heart rate back down. Release it. You made it. High five, pat yourself on the back. Remember who you are. Remember what you're made of. You're dope. Yes. Remember, this is IBEX Running. I'm Coach Rachel. This was our 30-second hill interval insanity. Cue and virtual insanity. 3, 2, 1. Hit that stop button. I'll meet you guys on your tread next time. Remember, IBEX Running, Coach Rachel. Meet you here. Have a good day. See you later.